We are at Geoffrey Farrant Walk today to show you this fantastic free double-bedroom penthouse apartment overlooking Taunton's canal, situated just a 10-minute walk to the town centre. It's benefiting from free balconies, free bathrooms and a garage and driveway parking. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing on this property, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.